Hello, and welcome back to Sergeant Facts. In today's video, we're diving into the captivating and often perplexing world of animal behavior. We all know animals can do some pretty amazing things, but some behaviors are just downright strange. In this video, we'll explore 25 such bizarre animal activities that will leave you astounded. Get ready for some mind-boggling facts that will surely leave you questioning what you thought you knew about the animal kingdom. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible facts. Let's jump right in. Fact number 1: dancing bees communicate with the hive. Honeybees perform an intricate dance to communicate the location of food sources to their hive mates. This remarkable dance, known as the waggle dance, involves a figure-8 movement accompanied by specific waggles or vibrations. The angle and duration of the dance inform other bees about the direction and distance to the food source, respectively. Research has shown that these dances are incredibly accurate and help the hive optimize its foraging activities. Biologists have long been fascinated by this complex form of animal communication, as it demonstrates the high level of social organization and intelligence present in bee colonies. Fact number 2: hairy frog breaks its own bones for defense. The hairy frog, also known as the horror frog, takes self-defense to a whole new level. When threatened, this amphibian deliberately breaks its own toe bones and pushes them through its skin to create makeshift claws. This might sound painful, but it's an effective deterrent against predators. The bones eventually retract and the skin heals, allowing the frog to live another day. Found primarily in Cameroon, this unique adaptation has intrigued scientists, providing insights into how extreme environmental pressures can lead to extraordinary biological responses. Fact number 3: cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. You might not think of cows as particularly social animals, but research has shown that they form strong bonds with specific individuals within their herd, often referred to as best friends. Studies indicate that when separated from their preferred companions, cows show signs of stress, including increased heart rate and lower milk production. The emotional bonds between cows not only highlight the complex social structures found in many animals, but also have implications for livestock management practices, pushing us to reconsider how we treat these creatures. Fact number 4: pistol shrimp snaps to create sonic booms. Pistol shrimp are small but formidable predators that use their specialized claw to snap shut so rapidly it creates a cavitation bubble. This bubble reaches temperatures comparable to the sun and produces a sonic boom that can stun or even kill small prey. This behavior is not only astounding in its own right, but has even led to unique symbiotic relationships. For instance, the pistol shrimp often pairs up with gobies, small fish that benefit from the shrimp's burrow. Fact number 5: the lyrebird can mimic chainsaws and camera shutters. Native to Australia, the lyrebird is a master of mimicry. Not only can it imitate other bird calls, but it's also known to mimic mechanical sounds like chainsaws, camera shutters, and car alarms. These incredible impersonations are primarily performed by male lyrebirds during mating season to attract females. Researchers believe this wide range of sounds signifies a healthy and resourceful mate. This unusual talent has garnered the lyrebird a lot of attention, both from the scientific community and bird enthusiasts alike. Fact number 6: ants farm fungus for food. Leafcutter ants have a fascinating symbiotic relationship with a particular type of fungus. These ants cut leaves and bring them back to their colonies, not for their own consumption, but to feed a cultivated fungus. The ants actively manage their fungal farms, even going as far as to use antibiotics to ward off mold that could contaminate their crop. In return, the fungus serves as the primary food source for the ant colony. This form of agriculture is so advanced that it rivals human farming methods in complexity and efficiency, leaving scientists amazed at the ingenuity of these tiny creatures. Fact number 7: albatrosses use body language to find a mate. In the world of albatrosses, finding a mate is a serious business that involves elaborate dances and synchronized movements. Couples engage in mutual preening, build clacking, and coordinated dance sequences to form strong bonds that often last a lifetime. The more in sync a pair is, the more likely they are to have successful offspring. This intricate courtship behavior emphasizes the importance of nonverbal communication in the animal kingdom and has been the subject of extensive scientific research to understand the evolutionary benefits of such elaborate rituals. Fact number 8: cuckoos trick other birds into raising their young. The common cuckoo is notorious for its sneaky reproductive strategy. Female cuckoos lay their eggs in the nests of other bird species, usually timing it so that the host bird is away. Once the cuckoo chick hatches, it instinctively pushes the host's eggs or chicks out of the nest, ensuring it receives all the parental attention and resources. This deceptive practice, known as brood parasitism, allows cuckoos to outsource the hard work of raising their young, while the host species are tricked into investing their energy in a chick that's not their own. Fact number 9: octopuses use tools for protection and hunting. Octopuses are among the most intelligent invertebrates, exhibiting problem-solving skills and even using tools. Some species are known to use coconut shells and seashells as makeshift armor or shelters. Others have been observed using rocks to barricade the entrances to their dens, keeping predators at bay. This level of intelligence and tool use challenges our understanding of cognitive abilities in non-mammalian animals, and researchers are continuously uncovering new behaviors that demonstrate the octopus's surprising intellect. Fact number 10: cleaner fish offer grooming services to other species. In coral reefs, a remarkable mutualistic relationship exists between cleaner fish and their clients, which are typically larger fish species. The cleaner fish eat parasites and dead skin off the larger fish, benefiting from the meal while providing a cleaning service. This relationship is so deeply ingrained that some larger fish will even open their mouths and allow cleaner fish inside to remove parasites, all without harming them. Studies have shown that cleaner fish can recognize regular clients and even coo in an organized manner, showcasing a complex social structure rarely seen in fish. Fact number 11: naked mole rats feel no pain and live in eusocial colonies. Naked mole rats are exceptional for several reasons, but one of the most fascinating is their insensitivity to pain and their complex social structure. They live in colonies much like bees or ants, with one breeding female known as the queen and several males for mating. The rest of the colony works together in a highly organized system to gather food and maintain the tunnel system in which they live. Additionally, these creatures feel almost no pain, thanks to a specific neurotransmitter, which makes them a subject of interest in pain research. Fact number 12: archerfish shoot down prey from above water. Archerfish have a remarkable hunting technique that involves spitting water jets to knock down insects and other prey from foliage above water. They can accurately hit targets up to 2 meters away. The fish adjusts the shape of its mouth to form a water channel, and then uses its tongue to strike the water, creating a powerful jet. This unique form of predation has captivated scientists, who study the physics and biology behind this extraordinary skill. Fact number 13: killdeer birds fake injuries to distract predators. The killdeer, a North American plover, employs a unique tactic to protect its nest from potential threats. When a predator approaches, the bird will fake an injury, such as a broken wing, to lure the predator away from the nest. Once the predator is far enough away, the killdeer miraculously recovers and flies off. This deceptive behavior, known as injury feigning, has been extensively studied as an example of animal intelligence and adaptive survival strategies. Fact number 14: elephants hold funerals for their dead. Elephants are known for their intelligence and strong social bonds, but did you know they also hold something akin to funerals for their deceased? When an elephant dies, its family members engage in mourning behaviors that include touching the body with their trunks, covering it with leaves and dirt, and staying near the body for an extended period. Some researchers interpret this as a form of ritualistic behavior, providing further evidence of the emotional depth and cognitive complexity of these magnificent creatures. Fact number 15: male seahorses give birth. In the animal kingdom, it's almost always the females that give birth, but seahorses turn this rule on its head. In this unique marine species, it's the males who carry the fertilized eggs in a specialized pouch until they're ready to hatch. This role reversal has intrigued biologists for years, as it challenges traditional understanding of reproductive biology. The male seahorse nurtures the eggs, regulating the conditions in the brood pouch, until he gives birth by expelling the fully developed young into the water. Fact number 16. Bowerbirds build decorative love nests. Bowerbirds are known for their remarkable courtship displays, which involve the males constructing intricate structures called bowers. These aren't simple nests, but elaborate works of art made of sticks, leaves, and various bright objects they find, such as berries or flowers. The males use these bowers to attract females for mating, even going so far as to arrange the objects in aesthetically pleasing ways. Researchers have found that female bowerbirds are quite picky and will visit multiple bowers before choosing a mate, making the male's decorating skills crucial for reproductive success. Fact number 17. Crocodiles cry while eating. The phrase crocodile tears refers to insincere expressions of sorrow. But did you know that crocodiles actually do cry when they eat? This isn't due to emotional distress. Rather, the tears help to get rid of excess salt in their bodies. The process is physiological, but the sight of a crocodile tearing up while consuming its prey has puzzled and fascinated observers for centuries. Despite the myth that these are tears of regret or sadness, they are a simple biological necessity for these ancient reptiles. Fact number 18. Vampire bats adopt orphans. Vampire bats have a social structure that involves sharing blood meals among colony members. But what's truly remarkable is their willingness to adopt unrelated young if the parents die or are separated from them. This altruistic behavior extends to sharing food with the orphaned bats and even grooming them. Researchers see this as an excellent example of community cooperation in animals, helping us better understand the complexities of social structures in the animal kingdom. Fact number 19. African buffalo vote on travel decisions. African buffalo display a fascinating form of democracy when deciding which direction to travel as a herd. Individual members cast their vote by standing up, looking in their preferred direction, and lying back down. The direction that garners the most attention is the one the herd ultimately chooses. This communal decision-making process has been studied as an early form of democracy in animals and offers a glimpse into the societal structures of herd animals. Fact number 20. Pufferfish create underwater crop circles. Male pufferfish are responsible for one of the ocean's most intricate architectural feats. They create geometric patterns in the sand, commonly known as underwater crop circles, to attract females. These designs are not just visually stunning, but also serve a practical purpose. They help to minimize ocean currents, making it a safer place for the female to lay her eggs. Scientists only discovered this behavior relatively recently, and it remains one of the most spellbinding mysteries of the deep sea. Fact number 21. Cuttlefish use dynamic camouflage. Cuttlefish are the chameleons of the sea, able to change their skin color and texture in the blink of an eye. This isn't just for hiding from predators, but also for communication and even hypnotizing prey. The cuttlefish can produce complex patterns that ripple across its skin, effectively mesmerizing its prey before striking. This extraordinary ability has been the subject of many scientific studies, especially in the fields of neurobiology and optics, to understand how these creatures can manipulate light and color so effectively. Fact number 22. Honeybees dance to communicate. Honeybees have a fascinating method of communication known as the waggle dance. When a forager bee finds a good source of nectar, it returns to the hive and performs a series of movements that resemble a dance. This dance tells other bees in the colony the direction and distance to the food source. The angle of the dance indicates the direction relative to the sun, while the duration of the waggle part of the dance indicates the distance. This unique form of communication is vital for the survival of the hive and is one of the most advanced forms of nonverbal communication in the animal kingdom. Fact number 23. Fireflies flash in unison to attract mates. In certain parts of the world, you can witness the magical phenomenon of fireflies flashing in unison. This collective behavior, known as phase synchronization, is a strategy to attract females. Individual male fireflies adjust the timing of their flashes until they are in sync with others, creating a mesmerizing light display that increases their chances of attracting a mate. The mechanics behind this synchronization are still not fully understood and are the subject of ongoing research in the fields of entomology and physics. Fact number 24: snakes hunt in groups for efficiency. While we often think of snakes as solitary predators, some species have been observed hunting in groups. Cuban bows, for example, have been seen coordinating their positions to form a curtain across a cave entrance to catch bats more efficiently. Individual snakes would have a lower success rate hunting alone, but by working together, they increase the likelihood of catching prey for each member of the group. This group hunting strategy challenges the traditional view of snakes as lone predators and opens up new avenues for studying social behaviors in reptiles. Fact number 25: ostriches don't actually bury their heads in the sand. Contrary to popular belief, ostriches do not bury their heads in the sand when faced with danger. This myth likely originated from the bird's feeding behavior, where it appears to have its head in the ground while searching for food. In reality, ostriches have several strategies to evade predators, including running at high speeds and using their strong legs to deliver powerful kicks. The misconception serves as a great example of how folklore can often misrepresent animal behavior, leading to widely accepted but incorrect beliefs. And there we have it, a total of 25 astonishing animal behaviors that challenge our understanding of the natural world. If you've made it this far and enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to Sergeant_Facts for more fascinating and mind-boggling facts. Do you have a strange animal behavior you'd like to share or want to see covered in future videos? Drop a comment below. Thank you for tuning in. And until next time, this is Sergeant_Facts signing off.